Okay guys, now it's short video, okay, how to change lipstick. Pull up the lipstick, wipe it off with tissue, and then put back, wait for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, pull it out, and then here, there's a full maximum level and minimum level. If like in maximum level, it's in good shape. If minimum level, you need to top up about 1 liter throughout the cap. And then the cap, as you can see, this one is 0W. They have a video about 0W ready. So I will use the recommend fluid on the cap. And then here is the reservoir. Don't simply open when it's hot. When cold, you just open the radiator fluid to check it, the coolant level. And then you can see have the coolant minimum level and maximum level. So the coolant is in maximum level. The brake fluid, just open it and then check it out. It's actually overfilled, but it's still in okay condition, so it's not problem. And then the air filter is sometimes it's complicated, so better we check you have screwdriver to open. But for this case, you need to have unplug the sensors. If you are afraid, go to the service center, ask them to check to the air filter.
Alright, hi guys, so welcome back. This is a quick video and recap of basically understand about these car lights. Okay, so right here we have your headlamps right now. Okay, so as you can see right now it's daytime, so you won't be able to see nicely, but right now everything is on. We have a high beam on right there, our daytime light running lights right here, our hazards as well. So basically these lights are used as hazards as well as your signal lights, depending if you're going from left and right. Right there we have your fog lamps. High beams as well. Right. Now if you come to the back, you have your daytime, I already call it lights at the back as well. This light is very important because it's the brake light, the third brake light. Usually in all cars in the night time we have these two, but this thing is very important to indicate that the car is being braked. This is a very important light. Then we have your signal lights, but right now it's a hazard, so depending whether you go left and right, it will change either left or right. Reverse, and then we have your reverse lights, which is basically when you're reversing the car, it tells you the car is moving back. So that's all you have to understand about how vehicle lights work front and back. Thank you, have a good day.
Okay guys, now I will explain about our tire. You know how your size is perfect or not perfect for your rim? Well, you check here. 235 is the rim, not the rim, the tire width and the contact patch to the road. And nextly is the 40. The 40 is your tire wall or the profile. And lastly, the R is radial tire, 18 is the diameter of your rim. You can take a 20-cent coin from Malaysia and you measure with this upside down rafflesia. Okay, put it into the tire wall. As you can see, the tire is still well because it has not reached the very bottom or the very top of the petal of the rafflesia.
Okay, there's also an indicator around here.
Yes.
So it's called the east tide. Okay, this is the tire indicator level. As you can see here, got the profile of the bead here, so you can measure from here. Okay, as you can see, here is the viewpoint of the brake pad. As you can see through on the brake pad. Okay, so the brake pad is you can measure by your eyes, visual inspection. Okay, scratching or not. Okay, if the rotor condition also same, you can see feel the thickness. If like super smooth, it's okay. If like wrinkles or like it's not smooth, maybe the disc have a scratch, so you need to replace the disc. Okay guys,
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so now this is just basically a quick guide on how to understand about window wipers. So right now in modern cars we use this type of wiper. Olden these cars might have a different material and different design. But right now, for this very age, we use this type of wipers, which are much more effective at wiping off this one. So we have two different wipers, basically connected to each car. Right now, how do you tell whether your wiper is still good or not? When it rains, how well it removes water from your windscreen when you're driving. That's how you tell. If it's basically not doing a part of job, that's when you know when your wipers are worn. Thank you.